The Spike Brewing Brew-in-a-Bag system is here. If you want to see more about it, stick around. Hello everyone and welcome back. Larry here again today to show you something new on my channel here. This is the Spike Brewing Brew-in-the-Bag system. And I know we've all been hearing rumors about it when it's coming for probably a good year now, ever since the National Homebrewing Conference last summer, where Brian at Circuited Brewers did an interview with some of the staff there at one of the booths, and piqued a lot of our interest, right? So fast forward to today, Spike Brewing decided to send this out to me and some others, including Brian. He's already done his video and is doing more videos on this as well, so a little shout out to him there too. But at the moment, I want to walk through what I have here, hopefully a short video or shorter video, not using the product, that's walking through what actually came in the box, and so you see what it looks like, right? This is the first step here. This is my first look at this system. So let's get started here. So what I have here is I have a 20-gallon kettle and their matching grain basket, the control panel, and some cables came with it, 2 sets of cables. Now this system is a 240 volt system. So if you're here in the US and you're used to like something like the Grainfather or the Robo Brew with the 120 volt system, you need to upgrade your circuit breaker or add a 240 volt 30 amp circuit breaker to it, GFCI breaker as well, like I had done recently in support of electric brewing. So this kettle comes with 4 ports, 2 in front you can see are for transferring the wort and recirculating, right? On the back side there's 2 more ports. They have a port for the temperature probe that connects to the control panel, and the heating element port that also connects to the control panel. And on this side we have the grain basket with a recirculating port on top, and this grain basket is perforated on the bottom. Hope you can see that. And you can look on the inside, it's the same way, and that's meant to fit into the system. Just like that, right? It also comes with a lid that you see here. It's just a normal spike lid. It fits in the kettle just fine, but I put it on here and it doesn't fit exactly right. It fits pretty well. Now, this is a prototype unit they sent us. This isn't the final product. They're scrambling right now to make some design changes, but and they actually sent a list of this too. So for those who are curious, so the lid doesn't fit quite right. They're going to fix that by opening up the lip on the basket so it fits flush like it would on top of the kettle. They also, loud, sorry, microphone. They have some etching for the logos. That's supposed to be darkened and make sharper. They got basket hooks on the inside of the basket, or the outside of the basket, which are meant to hold this thing like that. So there's some hooks back here that are meant to hook on here. They look a little sloppily welded on there, not quite spike quality welding, but they say that they're going to improve that in the final version. Also, the slope of this basket is, well, somewhat steep, not bad, but it slopes in pretty well. They're going to flatten that out so it's got less of a slope to it. And they say that the control panel is also a prototype, so this is going to change size, form, appearance, whatever. I don't honestly know, but for testing and evaluation of the system in general, this is just fine. They're making changes now. And in addition to what you see here, again, they use some cables here with a standard dryer plug, which is a NEMA 1430 style plug, 4-prong plug, because it's a combination 240 and 120 volt unit. They got the 3-prong plug for the heating element to the back of the control panel. Comes with some XLR style plugs to plug into the temperature probe and into the panel. And a length of silicone tubing, 1/2 inch I believe, with some quick disconnects that will attach to the ports much easier. I used a different style of port than these, so I have to decide whether I'm going to switch over to these or convert these to what I have, but I'll make that decision before brew day. And that's it. This is what came in so far. I just thought I'd get this out to you guys as soon as I could because of the questions and curiosity. I don't want to keep you in suspense. So I'm looking forward to doing a brew day on this thing pretty soon. I got some things I think I might need to buy to make my brew day a little bit more smooth with this. My brewery, as you know, has been set up to work with my gas and my cam lock fittings again. So I got to make some tweaks to get this thing working right. And once I do that, I'm going to be putting out a brew day video and give you my review of this thing in the very near future, I hope. All right, so again, thanks for watching. If you're a new viewer, not yet a subscriber, and you want to see more of my content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so you get notified of my next video, which hopefully will be all about the Spike eBrew-In-A-Bag system. All right, until then, I'll talk to you all later.